They sold it.
Bitch. I ain't never said.
Come on, Nat.
Get out my fucking kitchen. I said, gang, bitch. I ain't nobody gang. Well, you know what, bitch? You know what? This is my house. Oh, dance show group, motherfuckers, for me. Well, you get your own money and you'll be here.
Get her to sit down.
That's your best bet. That's your best bet. That's your best bet. Yep.
Don't leave, Doug.
I don't.
Doug, sit down.
Go with him. Go with him, dog.
Doug, sit down.
Go with him. No, you not touching too. Why you guys keep me out? Come on.
Doug, don't leave.
Let it go. Yeah, let it go. You tell shit, go. Y'all pretty good. Let it go, motherfucker.
I ain't trying to be with this mess, dog.
Well, whatever.
Dog been putting this bang out the
Well,
deal.
whatever. Go together. Go together.
Doug, don't you leave. He's not good.
Y'all got to go.
He paid his rent. He ain't got to go.
No. I ain't even.
Sit down, Doug.
You shut up, bitch.
Sit down, Doug. He don't got to go nowhere.
Oh, yes, he do.
They will take you first for intox.
Home, bitch. When a bitch home needs you. This my house. You got to go.
She will go first.
You got the beer in your hand.
Yep. They don't mean nothing. What he say? What he tell you last time? He go to court for intox. You doing 90 days.
Well, bitch, I ain't seen Joe Lava, bitch. When you see it, bitch, you do. No back.
No back told you that. He said you go for another intox.
You had, the judge said you had 55 intox.
Yep, since 87. Like, you want a beer? That's what you need to cool off.
No, I'm cool. If you call the police on me, I know who loves you.
We ain't gonna love it. I'm gonna say she did it. I'm gonna say she did it. I'm gonna say she did it.
She caused the drama.
You should be down there. I'll be back, y'all. I'll be back.
You think everything's a joke, man? I'm telling you.
No, Dad.
Tell, man. You think I ain't playing with you, man?
Bang,
I
move.
pay you all my money, and bitch, you think this is a
Bang.
joke to me. There ain't no joke, man.
Just sit down, Dad.
You think everything's a fucking joke.
She do. Move, babe.
I'm telling you, man.
Move.
Move. Bitch. I love you,
Back.
man. God damn. I love you for real. I love you for real,
You
man.
shut up.
I love you for real, nigga. Nigga, I wrote it in with you.
So quit tripping on you.
That's right.
You gonna tell your business in front of her.
I told my sister, motherfucker. Don't you now put your fucking hands on me, man.
You telling his business.
Oh, you know what?
Duh.
My sister, put your fuck down, bitch. Get out my house.
Are you not acting crazy?
Get out my house.
Sit down. Be good, Nat. Sit down, Nat. You should have hit Tasha. She the one with your man.
You know what?
You dropped this phone.
I love you. Fuck you and your kid. I love you.
Me and my kids.
I love you.
You can't never fuck me and my kids.
Damn, man. What's wrong with you, man?
I let you know.
They ain't got no crack to give you. I got a bunch of look. Look. I'll tell you, look.
Let you know, man.
I'm gonna give her some baking soda.
You get the fuck out of here.
It won't take the police to get me out.
Yeah.
It won't take the police to get me out. And then I know they in there. I know that you can do it.
We all going.
About my motherfucking house, dog. Fuck up, you know what? I don't give a fuck.
I fucking up.